Hey, what is up guys? This is VerSaucemness from VERSAUCE. Today we're going to be teaching you how to make your own custom horror thumbnail. So what you're going to need is 5 basic apps, which are Google Chrome, right here, Pixel PS Touch, Cut Paste Photo. You can search it on Google Play, or I'll just leave the link down in the description. And Fonto. You can either use Pixel or Fonto, because if you use Pixel it contains many types of shapes and symbols, which the Fonto app does not have. But Fonto, by the root, you can choose many types of fonts, including the fonts that you may like and the font that you found or find on Google. So let's proceed. First, what you're going to do is open Google Chrome, search in horror background. Yes, there is. Or wait, let's just go to images. Like this. This is a pretty dope photo for a thumbnail. So what you're going to do is just long press this photo, click on save image, and create new file. Next thing you need to do, guys, is to take a picture of yourself doing a scary pose. There are many types of poses. You can just search it up on Google. The types of scary poses, afraid poses, then take a picture of yourself like this. So guys, after you have made a scary pose, a photo of yourself doing a scary pose, you're gonna need to do smart cut. Do not choose straight cut. I think straight cut is also good because it has lines in it, but I prefer the smart cut because that is a better guide onto cutting photos. I did not make a perfect cut, but here we go. So here is the unrefined photo, guys. You're gonna need to do edit because it's not yet done. There is adder when you committed a mistake onto what you were erasing. You could just restore it back from what it was before. Then do eraser. You could also adjust the size of the erasers that the pointer will make, like so. Okay guys, this has been the result of the cut. It's not that great, it's not that perfect, but if you want to do the perfect cut, you can just go onto Photoshop, not onto PS Touch, because PS Touch and mobile, when you use a magnetic lasso, it's not that great when you cut. It's really hard, especially when it does not have what do you call it, that does not have a quite responsive screen. So this is the outcome of our cutting. Then next thing we're going to do is go on to PS Touch. So here guys are some of my templates. I mean the templates. So if you want to make a new template, go here, the first button on the bottom left, then go to photo library, then choose to where you have put the photos. I mean, so here's our background. You should make sure that this photo has the right size of a YouTube template. So you're going to click this chain right here, then type the width to 1 to 80, then the height to 720, like that's HD if it was a video. So here it is, guys. Next thing you're gonna do is put a layer, an empty file layer, and choose your photo, resize your photo to what size is your liking, place that photo, that PNG photo view, then go here and select glow. You can change the glow to any color you want. Yeah, so I think that's good. Save the photo. Then once you're done saving, for it to be in your gallery, click this button right here, save gallery, save to gallery. Click this photo, then do OK. As I said a while ago, you can either choose Pixelab or Fonto to put the text on your uh, horror game thumbnail. So I prefer using Fonto if you're a beginner, because Pixelab is a bit hard to use. I think it's like for pros only, because I haven't recognized that game that well yet. So let's just go and select Fonto rather than that Pixelab. Load your image from device. You have seen my password. Select that photo that we did in Photoshop. Takes a bit while to load, but it will load eventually. For example, we're playing Slendrina the Seller. If you're wondering what the font is it is the font that PewDiePie has. You could just find it in the description down below later. So we select that one. Resize. Oh, what the heck? The text is missing a letter R. Then go to styles and select any color you want, but I prefer it color red. And it has a stroke white, I think black. Black is good. Then place it here, or you just move it to the middle. And here, Slendrina, Solar, gameplay. This is very simple. This is just an example of a template. Then you choose a different one because it needs to differ from the first font that you've used. Then we choose Austria. I don't know. Let's just select this. Then do white, and the background will be black or red. Depends on you. Depends on your liking. Then it'll be like that, guys. That's scary, but it is up to you if you want to design more to it. But I think this will be enough. Or you could just remove the background, or do curving. Do this or do that, but you should be careful. Maybe you will overdo it, because I tend to do that much when I am doing this type of recording. Then to do episode 1, so that 1, place it right here and save. So that is how you create your YouTube thumbnail for horror games, and I hope I helped. And if you like it, share this to other people, including your friends, family. And as always, guys, thank you for watching the video.